The spiral washing machine uses the buoyancy of water to separate dust and impurities from sand. After the agitation of the spiral piece, the purpose of filtering water to remove impurities and improve transportation is achieved. The spiral body is long, the sealing system is good, and the sand's water and mud content are low. The trommel scrubber is mainly used for washing and removing clay, and can screen ores of different sizes with high cleanliness. Both of these are suitable for washing all kinds of ores with high mud content, strong mud viscosity and many mud lumps.